Want to automate your time entries with minimal effort? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to streamline your time tracking process, saving you time and effort. If you're tired of manually entering your time every day, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up time automation without having to learn complex tools or spend hours fiddling with settings. We all know how important it is to track time, especially when you're managing multiple projects. But let's face it, manual time tracking is tedious. Thankfully, with the right software, you can set up a simple, automated system to track your hours effortlessly. The software we'll be using in this tutorial makes it incredibly easy to capture your time, without any complicated processes or heavy manual input. Here's the secret. Instead of manually entering time, you can automate the process using the software's built-in features. Most time tracking software comes with options to track time automatically based on app usage, website visits, or even based on the projects you're working on. It's like having a personal assistant who keeps track of your time for you. First, let's talk about the software we're using. It offers an automatic time capture feature that tracks the time you spend on specific apps or websites, so you don't have to stop your workflow to manually input your hours. All you need to do is connect the software to your devices, and it will start tracking your activities automatically. You can customize it to track only the activities that matter to you. Next, configure your settings. Within the software, you'll find a simple dashboard where you can easily categorize your activities so everything is organized. The system will automatically log your time into the right category, saving you the hassle of sorting through hours of work. It's intuitive, easy to set up, and highly customizable to fit your needs. To take it a step further, set up automatic reminders. If you tend to forget about logging time on certain tasks, you can enable alerts that will notify you when it's time to log, or when the software notices you haven't been tracking a specific task for a while. One of the best parts of automating your time entries with this software is that you don't have to worry about accuracy. The software will track everything in real time, so you don't have to remember to log every minute. You'll never have to manually input a time entry again, and you'll save time by letting the software do the heavy lifting for you. But here's the best part. If you're ready to follow along, I've secured an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, available only for viewers of my channel. Check the description below to get access to it and start automating your time tracking today. Key takeaway. Automating your time entries doesn't have to be complicated. By using the right software, you can track your time effortlessly, saving hours every week and keeping everything organized. You don't need to spend hours learning complex systems. Just connect the software, set it up, and let it do the work for you. Quick recap. We talked about using automatic time tracking features, configuring your settings, categorizing activities, setting reminders, and getting an exclusive free trial to get started. So if you want to automate your time entries with minimal effort, don't forget to grab the free trial linked below and start saving time today.